Hello, welcome to the channel. What about a visit to Portencross Castle in Ayrshire here in west central Scotland? Well, join me David here on this video for a walk over there, right over there to the castle, Portencross Castle. So here on this video we're taking a walk over to Portencross Castle to enjoy the scenery here in the surrounding areas. And as you can see, lovely weather today for recording this video, so do enjoy the scenery here at Portencross Castle in Ayrshire. It is a nice walk here at Portencross Castle. This little walking route here. There we go, lovely views across the Clyde. This video was recorded in mid-March, and of course the castle opens in April. We'll include a description to the castle on our video description so you can find out more about Portencross Castle and when it's open. I love getting my shots of the daffodils here. There we go, nice spring colour here. Nice yellow daffodil, spring colour. The backdrop of the castle, Portencross Castle, and the River Clyde as well. I've got some nice white daffodils. I haven't had any white daffodils on the channel yet, but there we go. That's our first spring white daffodil right there. Nice to see, lovely. And there we go, yellow one there with the Portencross Castle in the background and the River Clyde. Yeah, look at that, nice little bee. Portencross Castle with the sun across the Clyde. Lovely. The Clyde is glimmering, is that the right word? Glimmering, yeah, glimmering. Lovely day. Shimmering or glimmering, yes. We've got a nice little pathway here up to the castle. There's the cannon right here at the castle. Just over there is the pier, that's where we've walked from. Over here to Portencross Castle. There we go, here's the doorways to the castle. Let's remember the castle opens in April. We're recording this video here in March, and as I say, we'll include the website link to the castle on our video description, so you can find out all the opening times and when it's open from, and to include that on our video description below. And there's just a little sign there here on the door there, and you can pause and read that. You can walk down to the beach, down onto the Clyde. Enjoying the scenery here, absolutely brilliant. Hope you're enjoying it. Do let us know in the comments. Thank you very much for joining me, David, here on this video at Portencross Castle in Ayrshire in West Central Scotland.